So hey awesome people, I am back again with another problem solution. So Android Studio recently launched an update. So there is a problem with this Android Studio update. I don't know if this is a problem or not, but most of you guys may face this problem. So before the update, I was working on a Flutter project and everything was so good. But after the update, when I restart the Android Studio and I see that my project structure is totally gone. There is another project structure that is based on Android, not based on Flutter. So how we can fix this? Let's see. So to fix this issue, follow my step. Before we start, some important things. If you are new to this channel, then leave a like and comment. Don't forget to subscribe. This is most important thing. Your one subscription, one support towards my channel, and this subscription is totally free. You don't have to pay. Now go to File in top navigation bar. From the drop-down menu, click on Project Structure. A pop-up window will appear. Under the project setting, select Modules. Here we can see two project structure, one based on Flutter and one based on Android. Now simply remove the unnecessary one and click on Apply. You are all set. So again, thank you for watching my video. Hope this tutorial helped you. So make sure hit the subscribe button and click on the notification bell icon so you can be notified whenever I upload new videos and new tutorials. Bye bye and see you soon in new video.